Welcome to the latest series of video interviews with my mum, supplemented with photographs. This one's on her childhood.
So how would you describe your childhood then, growing up in...
it was a very special childhood.
Where did you go to school when you were a little nipper?
Llanganwyd Mixed Stand Infants it was called.
Oh, and how did you
And I had cousins at school with me.
Which cousins?
From Welsh Farm. They went to the same school. And
was Ma there?
I passed the scholarship and went to my state grammar school.
What, you were quite clever, were you?
I was very bright. My father was very bright.
Very bright?
Oh.
Gosh. So which school did you go to? My state grammar? And how did you do there?
Oh, well, I had meningitis when I was there. So that took me back a bit, but I got 3 good A levels. I've forgotten the grades now.
Yeah.
But I missed about 6 months of school.
Do you want to say anything about the lovely boys?
Lovely
boys? Do you want to say anything about the lovely boys who were at school?
Boys?
Boys, yes.
No, they weren't on my horizon.
Oh, you had set ties on the higher
I was a
thing.
late developer.
Right, late, aren't we all?
Aren't we all, yes.
So you got 3 good A levels, and what did you do with the 3 good A levels?
I had been accepted at Barry Training College.
Well, you could do better than that.
I thought I could do better than that, so I raised Mary Hell, I think.
Who with?
With my parents.
Right.
And I got them to apply for me to go to Barry Training College.
You got in there.
So I got in there, and then I got these good A levels, and I wanted to go to university.
Oh yes.
And this is where I went.
So where did you go?
To my state grammar school.
No, which university?
Oh no, well I hadn't gone to university till I'd been to 6 years at school.
Yes, you did your 6 years at school.
Well, then I've forgotten what grades. They weren't very good grades because I'd missed months of schooling.
What university?
With meningitis. I then went to Cardiff University.
What year was that?
That was 1942.
Gosh, so the men were all out at war. No, but tell us about the war, Mum, because if you were born in 1924, you must have been 15 when the war started and 20 when it finished.
I can remember.
What are your memories of the war?
Sorry?
What are your memories of the war?
My memories of the war are hearing a siren for the first time, of being told about a house in Aberkenfig which had been bombed. Then when I got to university, we all slept in the cellar. There was a deep cellar in Aberdare Hall at the university, and we all had a bunk each and slept there. But we had to do aircraft duty.
Were they good times or bad for you?
It was a mixture. Boys who'd been to school with me had been killed, and no, it was a mixture. I wouldn't say the war wasn't a happy time.
And was there ever a time you were scared that we were going to lose the war?
Oh dear, yes, when Churchill came on. I can remember the war was dragging a bit, and Tobruk had fallen, and my father was very serious about it.
And what about you, though? What did you listen to?
It bounced off me, the war, really. I spent a lot of time on the farm with Nancy's parents.
I guess you were young, weren't you? So
I was young, I was 16. And an interesting thing would happen would be, I could hear the church bells from Llanganwyd, from my home, and you'd hear the tolling of the bell when boys from my class had been killed.
So the next video is on my mum's university years, but in the meantime, please like and subscribe. And also, if you've got any more photographs or information, I'd be very grateful for them. Thank you. Bye-bye.